How to scan Wi-Fi QR code in PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can scan Wi-Fi QR code in PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is you will first need to get the QR code. You can use your email or something, whichever medium that you want to get the QR code. After you get the QR code, you will need to head over to a web browser. Also, you can use your mobile hotspot to connect to a Wi-Fi before you scan it, because you will need to use a web browser to scan the code. So simply search for QR code scanner, and you can head over to any QR code scanner that you find easy to use, and then tap on scan now. Now you will need to just drag and drop your QR code, and after you do that, you will simply need to copy the results. And that is how you can simply get the password. Now, yeah, the password will be a bit at the end. You will see the columns here. And the password is right besides the one that says P column. And whatever is at the end, that will be your password. And that is how you can scan your Wi-Fi password in your PC. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.